Hey, I got a Kubota BT 900 backhoe. Come off that L35 tractor right there. And I've rebuilt a bunch of hydraulic cylinders on here. I need to rebuild these ones. And I need to get them off. Thought I could bust those things right there loose with it on there, but I just can't get a tool on it good enough with it on the tractor. And I had some busted lines that I'm replacing. But first, I took this pin out on both sides so this can swing out. Also, well, first I took off the lines, of course. I wouldn't be doing this without taking off the lines. Also, there's a bar that runs across here on top of these. So there's 2 bolts on either side. I took them out. What I need to take out to get this bar and move it up, there's a grease fitting right here and one over there on the other side. Those have to come out or else that bar cannot go up because it's going to hit this. Hit that right there. So I'm going to take those grease fittings out and I'm going to move that bar up. And then I'll be back, I suppose. Alright, I took those little grease fittings out. And I went ahead and knocked that bar off the top, or pried it off just from both sides and then got it out of there. You gotta kind of wrestle it out from the area because it's real tight in there. There's that bar. It's all covered in grease. Now, so you got them pins sticking up. Pins are basically those are part of the cylinder. They don't get knocked out. So yeah, you see the pin sticking up there. It's part of the cylinder. Some part of it sticking out the top, part of it sticking out the bottom. So now I'm just going to pry the pistons up and get them out of there. And I gotta shut this off, so I'll turn it back on in a little bit. Okay, I just went through the trouble of making a video and then realized I did not hit the record button or something. I don't know what the hell happened. So I'm gonna go through this again. I had to collapse. I had to push this piston in some to get away from this area so that this could be moved over to get away from the line, away from this angle piece right here, so that the whole thing can move up. Now I just went ahead and pried the piston up with some pry bars. And I got it's turned sideways right now. You can see the pin on the bottom over there and sticking out the top right there. It's turned sideways. Now all I gotta do is just wrestle it out from under here and they'll be out, and then I'll rebuild these cylinders and clean them up real good and stuff, paint them and put them back in. And that's about it. Alright, see you later. Alright, there's the 2 cylinders. Wrestle them out of there. Now I'll figure out which one's which when I go to put them back. Yeah. Anyways, one that was on this side, I got it out first and I took it out the back through this hole. And then when I got the other one loose out of there, I took it out the front. For some reason I had a little bit of an issue getting it out the back. So I took it out the front since the other one was missing. Now it was a little easier to get it out the front. So there you go. Alright, have fun.